thankful so much for the TSF party team for helping us and arranging the buses for us so that we can reach home safe and sound. In this very critical condition, they are working very hard for those who are stuck in Guwahati. And also we give special thanks to our Uprava for working so hard for the people of this Tripura. We know that he loves us. That is why he is arranging in different way so that we will able to go back to Tripura without any problem. Thank you.